We will all suffer for it.
All right, I'm gonna get the custom streaming working. Hopefully. Share.
How long does this go till?
So announcements will go probably till around 7:20. We'll have new member orientation after that. And that'll go till about 8, and then after that, folks can, they work on their things, sort of however long they want.
Yeah, I gotta dip out at 8. So I guess I'll just have to.
You can stay for a new member orientation if you want, and then after that, you'll be well equipped to pick your project to start with in the next week, or during the week you can jump into the Slack channel for a project you want.
Great, thank you.
All right.
It's very quiet. Not anymore. We have to be. We can't scare the cat.
She won't leave. She'll just like keep coming back, like getting up on me. She's like tries to like sit on my hands when I'm on the computer and stuff, trying to work on my projects.
Yeah, cats don't get scared. They are fear incarnate.
Yeah, that's right. Apex predators, even though she's like tiny. She's still got that instinct.
Cuddliness is the primary attribute of an apex predator. That's how you get humans to take care of you.
Yeah, there you go.
His customer service team can help find a plan that fits you. To learn more,
I had to show my wife the cat. Oh,
Code cat.
kitty.
Maybe we should get another llama. That was fun.
It has been a while since we've had a llama at Hack Night.
Maybe that should be our 1-year anniversary gift to ourselves of virtual Hack Nights.
I mean, I will say, oh, Jesus, it's been a year. Oh, God.
Almost a couple more weeks.
I will say that there was definitely more llamas at Hack Night in 2020 than there were in the previous 7 years. So that's maybe a high point.
Yeah, I think that is a win. I guess with that, it is 7:05. So good evening, everyone, and welcome to Code for Boston. My name is Matt, and I am on the leadership team here along with Alex, and we got Harlan. I think Thad's somewhere in here. I'm making at least the ones I see co-hosts so you can more easily identify them in your Zoom user interface. But if you have questions, need help with anything, feel free to reach out to one of them, and they will be more than happy to help you. The way this is going to work is we're going to have some opening remarks, and then after opening remarks, we'll do project updates. And then after project updates, new folks can stay in here. Alex and I will give you the best orientation you have ever experienced at a virtual meetup, and everyone else can go hack and try and fix the world's problems. So with that, let's start with announcements. As I mentioned to Harlan, we are at week 51 of virtual Hack Nights, so approaching almost a full year of doing this. We continue to grow, and that is very exciting. I think, as I see us roll through, hopefully only a few more months of this, but we will continue to see how things go. Last week, I mentioned that we now have a sponsored New Relic for the brigade. And so just want to throw out a picture of New Relic because folks did not yet reach out to me about this opportunity. But we had someone pushed a change to our Vaccinate MA website. And if you look, you can see the spike where someone created an infinite loop of requests to one of our APIs from all the clients and almost nearly took down the site. So New Relic was very helpful for both seeing that and then also debugging it and getting it back to normal, as you can see after it goes. So if you have one of your applications that is not yet deployed, highly recommend, just send me a Slack message. I'll get you an account under Code for Boston, and we can add your app in there, and you too can find all your bugs and server problems. Next, make sure to follow our code of conduct at codeforboston.org/code of conduct. The gist of it is this is a respectful space, and we do enforce the code of conduct. So if you have an issue with someone, if you feel like you aren't being respected, reach out to one of us on leadership, and we will in fact take care of it. You can also email hello@codeforboston.org, and that is a good way to get the attention of the leadership team. If you want to connect with us on our various social media channels, if you want to sign up for our email newsletter, all under the connect in the footer at codeforboston.org. weekly email newsletter with jobs. So if you're into jobs or if you're into events, all those things exist in that email newsletter that comes out on Wednesday mornings. And YouTube subscribers are now up to 203. So if everyone gets a friend to subscribe, we can be up to 406, which is even more exciting. So tell your friends about our YouTube channel. Lots of great content, past workshops, that sort of thing, worth checking out. A lot of folks have come from Meetup. So if you RSVP at meetup.com/code4boston, it does boost us in the algorithm and help more folks find us. Highly recommend that. And if you're looking for a Zoom room, codeforboston.org/room/CFB is your permanent redirect to whatever the current Zoom room is. If you're watching this and you're not yet in our Slack community, I am sorry to say that I thought I fixed slack.codeforboston.org. It stopped working yesterday and I didn't get a chance to fix it. So just go to codeforboston.org and click say hi on Slack. And that is the way that you'll be able to get your Slack invite. And I will try and fix that redirect. We are a nonprofit. And so if you want to donate to us, if you want us to be able to afford more visits from llamas in 2021, just like we did in 2020, codeforamerica.org/donate to a brigade is where you can do that. You can pick Code for Boston from the drop down and we will directly take however much you want to give us from your credit card. And then that is earmarked for us and our operations here for the brigade in Boston. If your company or employer wants to support your wonderful work here at Code for Boston, we have plenty of options and ways to do that as well. Happy to discuss the logistics. Just reach out to Harlan or I. So with that, project updates, we got a whole bunch of awesome projects and we will start with my city.
Hey everyone. So I've actually been out for a few weeks and Josh, who is here, is not here tonight. So I don't know exactly what's happened while I've been gone, but I do see we have some pull requests open. So we'll probably spend some time looking at that and kind of catching up on what's been going on. That's it from us.
Thanks, Jamie. Next is Safe Water.
Hi everyone, greetings from DC. So tonight the folks working on the flagging website, telling when it's safe to boat on the trails or not. They're having a well-deserved break before starting the offboarding the project with our partner. And in our team, Open Data Visualization team, we will offboard our dashboard tonight. So that's our plan, so we don't take new members.
Great. Thanks, Francois. Next is Job Hopper. I think they might be out tonight. All right. Next is Good Governance Project Advocacy Map.
Hi, everyone. Project is moving along well. We've got really all the functionality of our map set up. So now we are just improving it and tweaking the functionality. And we're starting to get sort of our first class of beta third-party users onboarded. So it's progressing well.
Great. Thanks, Matt. Plug along. How are things going there?
Sorry, I'm muting myself. Hi, everyone. I'm Eva from Plug Along. And we are working on fixing some bugs to get our app into the Google Play Store and also working on some new features for the next release.
Great. Thanks, Eva. Clean Slate, you're up next.
Sorry, can't unmute. Hi, I'm Michelle with Clean Slate. Our data team will continue working on the new questions and requirements from our partner, and our app team will continue working on the testing library and the new business logic and flow for the adult seedling interview.
Excellent. Thanks, Michelle. Windfall awareness.
Computer. Okay, I think I'm good. So hello, everyone. Windfall awareness last week. Worked on the Social Security Administration's 2021 update, and we got it to build. Now we just need to tweak our compile settings. So we are compiling from C++ to JavaScript. If that sounds interesting to you, come pop by the Windfall Awareness channel, and we will show you how you take a Windows C++ app and put it into a web app that runs on the client in the browser. So we're doing that for Social Security retirees that want to know the benefits very accurately. And we're using TypeScript and C++ and JavaScript. Thank you.
Excellent. Sounds like some very fancy technology. I love it. Police data trust.
Yeah, so we have the first blush of an API coming together. We also developed the schema that we're going to be using initially to kind of communicate between different groups. So yeah, coming right along.
Awesome, Daryl. Love to hear it. Next, vaccinate.
Hey, yep. So we are moving along. We still have plenty of stuff for people to do if they want to hop in. We're trying to get show people where all the available vaccines are. So if that's something you're interested in, we have front end stuff, we have back end stuff, we have design stuff, and we have infra stuff, and we have like data science-y web scraping stuff. So anything for your tech needs, we've got.
Great. Thanks, John. And so with that, everyone who knows where they want to be, thanks so much for dropping by. You can head out to your projects. Everyone else that's new, stay in here. We'll get started with new member orientation in a couple minutes. And happy hacking.